Assalamualaikum and morning. Okay, so with me again, Cikgu Faizal. Okay, today inshallah we are going to discuss our self exercise 2.5, page 47. So if you look over here, I just gave it to you all of it. Not all of it. Number 4 and number 6. We are not going to do that one. So we are going to look at our number 1A and D first. Okay, let me take this one first. Of course, I'm going to take everything, and then we are going to take only number 1 first. Okay, so we go for the first questions over here. Find for our differentiation for each of the following functions. Okay, we have our number 1A. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do our product, isn't it? This one we have 4x squared, and the second one we have 5x plus 3. So means that what you are going to do first is I'm going to have my u first, which is my u here is going to be 4x squared. So if I want to have my du over dx, what should I get over here to bring to the front? I'm going to get 8x only. Then I'm going to get my v, which is 5x plus 3. So what you are going to do next is dv over dx. So what you are going to get over here is 5 only, right? Okay, next what happened? Okay, so because you are going to find for our dy over dx, so we are going to do u dv over dx plus with our v du dx. So what happened next is we are going to substitute lah. U here is 4x squared, and then I got my dv dx is 5 plus v 5x plus 3, and then du dx is 8x, right? Okay, so what happened over here? Okay, this one I'm going to times. Alright, let's time everything. Okay, if I didn't put bracket, I afraid that you are going to times only 3. Okay, so what happened over here? We are going to expand. So this one I'm going to get 4 times 5 is going to be 20x squared. And then this one 5 times 8, I'm going to get 40x squared. Then 3 times with 8, I'm going to get 24x. So this one we can simplify as our like terms. So what you are going to get over here is going to be 60x squared plus with 24x, right? Okay, next is going to be for 1D over here. Okay, 1D, I ask you, okay, no problem. I'm going to do again, this one is going to be for our x, and this one is going to be for our x plus our u. Sorry, u here is going to be x squared, and v here you are going to get what? V here we are going to get our square root of 1 over 2x squared. Okay, never mind. Okay, so what happened? First thing first, you are going to have what? Yes, differentiate u with x here. So I'm going to get 2 only lah. Right? So after that, 1 minus, so you're going to get 2x, sorry. So for our dv over dx over here, what we are going to get? Okay, if you look over here, the square root over here, we are going to get 1 over 2. So if I bring to the front, I'm going to get 1 over 2 first. Right, and then inside the bracket there is going to be only negative 2 over here. So what you are going to get this one as our dv dx 1 over 2 and 1 minus 2x over here, and this one you are going to get what? You are going to get our 1 over 2 minus with 1, I'm going to get negative 1 over 2. And then in the bracket, in this bracket over here, 2 times with negative 2, you are going to get negative 4x, isn't it? Okay, for the product over here. Okay, so what we are going to have over here, dy over dx, I'm going to get, okay, Same just now, u first. So I'm going to get this one x squared times with dv dx. Oh, everything there, I just put in a big bracket. 1 over 2. Actually, I can simplify straight away. This one, 2 with negative 4 is going to be negative 2, right? So this one, I just put negative 2 lah. Okay, can. This one, negative 2. And then 1 minus with 2x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay. Sorry, 2x over here. And then plus with kv. Oh, copy back. Copy back 1 over 2x squared, right? In bracket. And for our du dx over here, I'm going to get 2x only. Can? Okay. So what happened next? If you look carefully over here, you are going to have 2x with our wait, yeah. 2x. Okay, this one, if I want to make it 2x with this one, I am going to expand this one. Negative 2x times 1, I'm going to get okay, this one, if I bring to the this one, I can simplify this one, expand. Okay, so I'm going to get negative 2x cubed, right? Negative 2x cubed. And everything this one, I'm going to put it as a fraction, because the indices here is negative 1 over 2, so square root, right? So I'm going to get that one, everything there as 1 over 2x squared, right? Because we are going to get that one to negative 2x with 2x, you're going to get negative 2x squared. This one, right? And then for the back one here, 2x times with square root over here, so I'm going to get only 2x lah kan, with 2x, yeah. If I got this one, wait, negative 2x, okay, I just have this one as 2x, and then this one is gonna be square root of 1 minus 2x squared. So what happened next is, if you look carefully over here, what happened? I'm going to have same denominator, because I want to plus it, isn't it? So if I want to plus it together, which means my 2x with square root of 1 minus 2x squared over here, I'm going to times it with it. So means that the square root over here is going to be what? It's going to be with square. Am I right? If it's going to be with square, means that you are going to have over here 2x times only with 1 minus 2x squared, isn't it? So I'm going to get this one, just copy back, negative 2x cubed. I'm going to get over here 2x times with 1 minus 2x squared. Okay, over everything there, because we are going to make our same denominator here. And so what happens next? Of course lah, this one, if you are going to expand 2x times 1, you're going to get 2x minus with 4x squared, so 4x cubed, so 4x cubed with our negative 2x cubed there, so I'm going to get negative 6x cubed plus with 2x, right? So this one, let's copy back with us 1 minus with 2x squared. Can factorize, can, because this one we have 6 and 2, right? So I'm going to take 2 out of it, because we have both are going to have x. So what you are going to get, this one is 2. Okay, I'm going to make my negative x to at the back, so minus lah. So I'm going to get this one 2x with 1 minus with 3x squared, right? Over square root of 1 minus 2x squared. Okay, this is for 1AD. Okay, now we are going to look at our number 2, I ask you to do only B here. Okay, we look at our number 2B. Okay, for 2B over here, it say here that we are going to use our product rule. Okay, so what happened over here? I'm going to can I do the what we call the expand over here? X times with x. Right. I'm going to expand first. So x times with x squared, I'm going to get x cubed. X times with negative 1 over x, I'm going to get negative 1. 2 times with 2 over x, times with x squared, this one I'm going to get 2x. Then 2 over x times with negative 1 over x, 2 times 1 is going to be 2 times with negative 1, I'm going to get negative 2 over x times x is going to be x squared. Right? So over here, if I'm going to do my differentiate over here, what happened? What happened? Wait. This one actually I can no, I cannot simplify. None. Right? 2x negative 2, this one. Can I take this one up? So I'm gonna get this one as 2x negative 2. Okay. So it's more easy lah to do our differentiation over here. Okay, so we are going to do over here, bring to the front, so we're going to get 3x squared. This one we are going to get 0. This one I'm going to get this one I'm going to get 2. This one I'm going to get negative is going to be positive 4. This one minus 1, so I'm going to get negative 3. So means that what I'm going to have over here, 3x squared plus 2 plus with 4 over x cubed. That's it. Right. Number 2B. Next, we are going to look at number 3. Okay, number 3 over here. Okay, it's asking the question here, asking for us to find the value. Find the value of f prime 5. F prime over here, what does it mean? It means that we are going to do our differentiate of our functions of x over here. Okay, but before I'm going to differentiate over here, if you look this one, I'm going to get what? This one actually, you are going to get u, and this is going to be my v, right? Why? Because if you look over here, for this one, I'm gonna have for my first differentiation for the first one here, supposedly I'm gonna get okay. Let us do this one. U here is gonna be x, so du over dx, I'm gonna get 1. And then for v here is gonna be square root of x minus 1. Should be this one. I just write over here x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 lah. So if I want to have my differentiate for v over here, I'm going to get 1 over 2. Inside the bracket over here, I'm going to get, just copy back, x minus 1 right first. And then inside the bracket here, I'm going to get 1. And then up here, 1 over 2 minus with 1 over with 1, I'm going to get negative 1 over 2 actually. So it means that this one 1 and 1 over 2, I'm going to get 1 over 2 back lah, right? Okay, so can you understand? I do the what? Differentiate in bracket there. Right? So 1 over 2, what I mean over here, 1 over 2. If I times with 1, I'm going to get 1 over 2 back. Okay? So now, what I'm going to do over here, now I'm going to find for my differentiate. Differentiate over here by using our product of rule. So u x times with dv dx, so 1 over 2 and 1 over here, I'm going to get only 1 over 2 x minus 1 with negative 1 over 2 lah. Okay, let's copy this one back first, and then plus with our v. Okay, just copy back that one. I'm going to get x minus 1 x minus 1 with 1 over 2. Okay, and also du dx is going to be 1. Okay, that's it. Right. Okay, next one, what should we do over here? If you look, I'm gonna have the what we call expand this one. So x times with 1 over 2 is x over 2. Okay, so what I'm going to get, this one is x. So everything here, if I'm going to expand, okay, this one, because I got over here is negative 1 over 2, which means over here I'm going to get everything is going to be at our denominator over here, x minus 1. Can? Then this one plus with, okay, this one we are gonna have as x minus 1 1 over 2. Actually I can write it back x minus 1 only lah. Can? So if you look carefully, we are going to make what? We are going to have over here with our conjugate, right? So if you look, what you are going to do? Actually, if you have like this, I'm going to have my x. That one is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1, so it's gonna be okay. This one, just copy back. This one, I'm gonna get x plus with, okay, x minus 1. So if I times 1 2 x minus 1, so I bring this one, so I'm gonna get this one as my 2x minus 1, right? Now because we are going to make our the same, how did I get x minus 1? I'm going to times with, if I want to have the 2 square root of x minus 1 over here, so means that I'm going to have over here is with 2, isn't it? Times back lah. So you're going to get 2x minus 1. Okay, over this one, you are going to get the same. 2x minus 1 over here. Right? Because we are going to have x minus 1 times with x minus 1. I'm going to get square root. I'm going to get x minus 1 actually. Okay, so what happened next is we are going to have what? Expand this one. So 2x is going to be plus with x. I'm going to get 3x. Where is it? This one. 2 times x is going to be 2x plus with our x over here. I'm going to get 3x. So 2 times with negative 1, I'm going to get negative 2 over, okay, this one just copy back, x minus 1. Then what should we do? Wait, the question. Oh, okay, we are going to have my 5 over here. So just substitute lah. 5 in our x over here. So 3 times 5 minus 2 over 2. This one square root 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is going to be 4. Square root of 4 is going to be 2. 2 times with 2, I'm going to get 4 here. Then this one 3 times 5 is going to be 15. 15 minus 2, I'm going to get 13. Done. Okay. This is going to be number 3. Next for our number 5. Okay, number 5 over here, we are going to differentiate with respect to x, right? Okay. Okay, for number 5 over here, I got a and c. Okay, so what should we do first? I'm going to A and C, A and E. Okay, this one, what we have over here, what we are going to do. This one, if you look, we have our what? Our quotient, right? This is U. Oh, sorry. U. This is V. Right. So I'm going to write this one. Okay. Our u here is going to be 3. Okay, and of course lah, if I have this one du over dx, of course you're going to get 0. For v here, I'm going to get 2x minus 7. Okay, so for our dv over dx over here, I'm going to get 2 only, isn't it? 2 only. So what happened over here, if we are going to have our differentiate, okay, dy over dx over here, you are going to have v du over dx minus with what? With u, okay, dv over dx, isn't it? Dv over dx. And then don't forget over to our v square. So v square over here is 2x minus 7 lah. So we are going to substitute v is 2x minus 7. Okay, du dx, okay, 0. Minus with u 3. And then dv dx here is 2 over our v square over here, 2x minus 7 square. Okay, so what I'm going to get over here is this one 0 already. So negative 6, right? Negative 6 over 2x minus 7 square. That's it. Differentiate for our quotient over here by using quotient. Okay, and e. Okay, we have what? Oh, okay. I got another class to 10x. Okay, so what I have over here, okay, of course, u here is going to be x to the power of 1 over 2. So if I want to have my du dx over here, I'm going to get what? 1 over 2 x. 1 over 2 minus with 1 over 2, with 1, I'm going to get negative 1 over 2, right? So if I bring this one, I'm going to get what? I'm going to get 1 over 2 square root of x, isn't it? Okay, and then for my v over here is going to be x plus 1. So if I want to have my dv over dx over here, I'm going to get only 1. Can? So what happened next is we are going to do over here dy over dx. So v first, x plus 1. Just copy back this one, x plus 1. Du dx is going to be 1. Okay, just copy back everything there. 1 over 2 of x. And then minus with our u. Okay, just copy back that one is going to be x to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, and our dv dx is going to be 1 over our v square. So I'm going to get this one, x plus 1 square. Can? So what should I do? Okay, this one we are going to minus x squared. So this one is going to be 1 over x squared times dokie. I'm gonna simplify this one first, times first, right? X plus 1 times with 1. So what you are going to get this one is x plus 1 over 2 square root of x, right? Okay, so this one is times 1. So I'm going to get over here is times with x to the power of 1 over 2, right? Okay, over 2. Or I can do this one as my square root of x, right? So this one, if I want to make, okay, sorry, this one we are going to over, this one just copy back, x plus 2, x plus 1 square. Okay, so if I want to simplify for our numerator over here, this one is over 1, right? So if I want to have my 2 over x, so means that I have to times by 2 over x. So over square root of x. So square root of x with square root of x, I'm going to get 2x straight away, right? So what I'm going to get at our numerator over here is x plus 1 minus 2x. Because square root of x, I'm going to get times with 2 or square root of x. Because I want to make it the same. Okay, so over here going to be 2 square root of x lah, because it's going to be our same denominator over here. Okay, over x plus 1, x plus 1 square. Okay, what happened here, if you look, this one actually you can have it at our x minus with 2x is going to be minus x, right? So means that 1 minus x lah. I can have over here 1 minus x, right? Over, I bring 2 square root of x to the down do a denominator. So I'm going to get 2 square root of x with x plus 1 square. So this is going to be for our number 5e. Okay, so finish, right? Yeah, number 6 no need to do. Okay, that's it. Thank you.